Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue sweet sauce. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of quality ketchup, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce for the base. For sweetness, have 1 cup of packed light brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of dark molasses ready. Don't forget your spices like 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder. Let's get cooking. Now, let's combine our base. Pour the 2 cups of ketchup, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce into a medium saucepan. Whisk these liquids together until they are well blended. Next, add the 1 cup of packed light brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of dark molasses. Continue whisking until the sugars are completely dissolved into the liquid mixture. This creates a smooth, sweet foundation for our delicious sauce. It's time to add the flavor. Stir in your 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. You can also add a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of cayenne for a subtle kick. Make sure all the spices are fully incorporated into the sauce. Reduce the heat to low and let the sauce gently simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Once your sauce has simmered for 20 to 30 minutes and thickened slightly, remove it from the heat. Let it cool completely to room temperature. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before storing, give it a taste and adjust any seasonings if needed, perhaps a little more salt or a touch more sweetness. Finally, transfer your homemade sweet barbecue sauce to an airtight container or jar. It will keep wonderfully in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Ready for your next barbecue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.